Safely to the moon. That's the slogan of the newest cryptocurrency superstar. Today we're going to talk about Safemoon, what it is, how it works, and what's going on with it. And finally, how Safemoon could make you a crypto millionaire.
Don't make me take you to the principal's office. Do we have a deal?
Let's begin. First things first, let's take a look at what Safemoon actually is. Safemoon is a cryptocurrency just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and virtually thousands of other cryptocurrencies on the market today. It's also called an altcoin. As such, it's been created using pretty much the same code as the internet's first virtual currency Bitcoin, except for small changes here and there. Therefore, it functions in a very similar way in that it's a decentralized virtual currency. Though what's a little different about Safemoon is that it's fairly recent. It was launched on March 8th of this very year. But what's also different about it and how it works is something to do with its trade mechanism. Safemoon can also be called a DeFi or decentralized finance. It has three major functions: reflection, IP acquisition, and burn. Basically, when you sell a Safemoon coin, you pay 10% of the amount you receive for it in a selling fee. This 10% is then divided into two halves, one of which is kept by the Safemoon team, while the other is redistributed to all the other owners of Safemoon. This means that Safemoon rewards those who keep their digital assets and penalizes those who try to sell them. These days, Safemoon is seeing a lot of hype. It's only existed for a little more than a month, but it's already all the heat. Some are even calling it the new Dogecoin. They're saying that it's just like Dogecoin, but safe, of course. So what really is behind all this fame that the safe version of Dogecoin is getting? Let's have a look. Ever since its launch in March this year, Safemoon has already seen a growth of over 3,300%. Its trading volume has been more than $3.3 million in the past 24 hours. Its diluted market cap is at $3.1 billion as of now. Not to forget the fact that this is a crypto that hasn't been out of the market for even 2 months as of yet. Understandably, more people are learning of its good performance and they're playing their respective part by investing. People are really intrigued by the fact that Safemoon is already at such a high market cap in such little time. This really goes to show how much crypto has been accepted by the mainstream and how it's being normalized over time. And did you know that Safemoon is already bigger than many well-established exchanges? That's true. Safemoon has been successful in surpassing crypto-based companies like PancakeSwap, Ethereum Classic, and many more. So it's quite easy to understand why it's attracting this much attention. On top of that, Safemoon's very own exchange system is already in the works, which in itself says a lot about the growing importance. Not to mention how everyone's really hopeful that major exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase also accept it soon. So who knows, Safemoon might just be the next big thing. The second factor is its state when it comes to prices. Now, even though Safemoon has really been successful so far, it's still considered cheap by many people. This is because Safemoon's current price is only about $0.000004. That is a lot of decimal places, and that's exactly also what makes Safemoon so attractive to investors. It's this very cheap and accessible cryptocurrency that has the potential for a lot of growth. So why wouldn't someone get themselves a handful of it? Now, when it comes to the potential of Safemoon, there's quite some hope. Safemoon can be regarded as the next 100x coin. That's because around this time last month, just shortly after its launch, Safemoon was more than 100 times lower in value. That is to say, it's grown a lot. This means that people who invested literally just $1 a month ago would have had more than $100 right now. And that's just the measure for a measly dollar. Imagine putting in hundreds or thousands. That would have been just incredible, wouldn't it? Twitter crypto has also been absolutely wild about Safemoon. There are posts upon posts upon posts on both Twitter and Reddit, all of them discussing the many benefits of investing into Safemoon right now. Safemoon already has over 1 million users and the figure just keeps on growing. This means that it has a lot of demand right now. And when you take into consideration the fact that selling is discouraged through the selling fee rule that we discussed earlier, you'd realize that there's also a limited supply. This means that Safemoon is expected to increase in value over time as existing owners hold onto them and new ones keep pouring in. This is also why you should consider investing into Safemoon. This should be backed by your own research, of course. It's your money on the line after all. When drawing parallels between Dogecoin and Safemoon, we should always keep an eye on the prices. Dogecoin has been going crazy these days, and despite the overall drop in the crypto market, it also has a market cap of over $50 billion, which makes it the underdog. But when you compare Safemoon with it, and when you ask yourself if Safemoon would ever reach Bitcoin's prices, there are some things you should think about. So when you take the market cap of one coin and not the price as each coin has a different supply, you have to divide it with the total supply to get the price of each individual coin. So you could take the market cap of Dogecoin, put it into your calculator, and then divide it by the total circulating supply of Safemoon. This reverse engineering would give you the difference between the price of Safemoon currently versus how much it would have to increase to reach Dogecoin's market cap. And as you can see here, with Safemoon's current supply, the prices would only have to increase by about 10 to 15 times from 0.000004 for Safemoon to have a $50 billion plus market cap. And that is amazing. And what you, the investor, would get out of that is profit, of course. This is because if and when Safemoon's market cap would reach Dogecoin levels, you'll have increased your investment by more than 10 times. But this is obviously based entirely on conjecture rather than fact. You should also keep in mind that cryptocurrencies, at their current stage at least, are highly volatile. They're traded entirely on whim, and nobody can say for certain what any particular coin would look like in the future. Even though those who have invested in the top currencies like Dogecoin and Bitcoin are receiving gains, that's not permanent. There have been crashes in the past, and there will most definitely be crashes in the future too. This is also probably why cryptos are seen to be as good short-term investments rather than long-term sources of income. If you're a common man especially, then you have to be extra careful, as putting in most of your wealth into a cryptocurrency and then watching it crash can be extremely painful. Therefore, you should always be cautious. And there's always the individual factor. If you have a plan regarding investment into Safemoon and the circumstances seem just right, you might just end up getting lucky. You'd obviously invest into Safemoon if you think it has some serious growth prospects. And when it comes to a good strategy that you could use if you don't have one for yourself, taking some of the profits along the way is always a good thing. This could be maybe the entire initial investment, or even half. This way, when that amount is safely recovered, the rest is guaranteed profit. Some cost-profit analysis is always good, and you should make sure that you don't have any regrets later about not taking out at the right time. And last but not least, and this one has to do with Safemoon's very design, the selling fee feature ensures that each time someone buys Safemoon, you get some for yourself. You as an existing holder of Safemoon earn from other people buying it, and 11% of the transaction is also burned. This lowers the total supply, maintaining Safemoon's scarcity element. This way, Safemoon is expected to increase in value over time as more and more people buy it. This is obviously good news for early investors. You could get yourself some Safemoon right now and really get the gains of your lifetime. And who knows, you might even end up becoming a millionaire depending on your investment. It's really amazing where you can go by investing into cryptocurrencies. Safemoon is no exception, and current data shows it to be an emerging star in the crypto world. What are your predictions about Safemoon's future? Let us know in the comments down below. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.